Okay, here's a variation on the 12-colored regular dodecahedron that was projected on the surface of a sphere, which I did in my first video. I took that exact design and simply what I would call stellated the pentagonal faces. So if you look here, you have this light blue color here, these 5 triangles. If you were to turn those 5 triangles around, they would form into this pentagon here. And if you did that for all of the colors, you would get back to the original regular dodecahedron pentagonal covering of the sphere. So what I did is I took that original design and kind of inverted or stellated, created stars out of each of those colored sides. So here you have the light blue side. Here you have the orange star. If you inverted these, they would all make an orange pentagon in the center. And here's a dark green. Here's yellow shapes, and so forth. I did that with all 12 colors at one time, and you get this nice, now checkered ball. There is a pattern to it, of course. It was here, the white is very easy to see. The white star around here, or the black stellated pentagon here. If you inverted each of those, you would get a black pentagon in the center. So this is just one variation. The same 12 colors, in fact the exact same shape, I just twisted some of the pieces around. This is what makes this toy so much fun. You've got so many pieces, you can take them apart, they stick back together fine, so you can get all these different patterns. I'm going to further complicate this in a future video where, see, I have here 2 adjacent colors. These two, I think these are orange. I have a hard time telling the yellow and orange colors apart here. But these 2 orange pieces, I could somehow invert those by a regular pattern and make everything even more checkered. Or you could combine some colors to make the adjacent colors bigger areas and so forth. And this is how you get all these different patterns. And this right now is just, again, 12 colors. If I start altering the total number of colors in it, either lessening the number of colors or augmenting the number of colors, then you can get even more variations. So just another example of what you can do with these 120 pieces.